Hello, my name is Dr. Joe Dispenza, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the mind-body connection. Unlocking success from within. Your mind and your body are not separate things. They are always talking to each other, all the time. This is the mind-body connection. What you think directly changes how you feel in your body. Your thoughts create real body reactions. This isn't some magical idea. It's a basic truth about how you exist, and science proves it. When you really get this, you stop being just a passenger in your life, and you start being the driver. You stop being a victim of what happens to you, and you start creating your own experiences. You have the power to change your whole world. It all starts with understanding this deep and unbreakable link. Think of your mind as the captain of a big ship, and your body as the ship itself. The captain's thoughts are the orders given to the crew. If the captain thinks, "We're heading into a storm," the crew gets ready for rough seas. The ship gets tense, and the hatches are closed. Everything goes on high alert. If the captain thinks, "We have clear skies and calm waters," the ship sails smoothly. The crew is relaxed. You are the captain. You choose the thoughts. You set the course. With practice, you can learn to sail towards the places you really want to go, guiding your body and your life towards health, energy, and success. Understanding this connection is the absolute most important part of all personal growth. You can't just force outside actions while ignoring how you feel inside. Real and lasting change comes from the inside out. When your mind is clear and your feelings match your goals, your body responds with energy and strength. Success isn't about chasing results. It's about changing the person you are. Your journey of change isn't a far-off dream. It's possible right now. Let's go. Every thought you have is more than just a fleeting idea. It's a signal. This signal is an electrical and chemical instruction that travels throughout your entire nervous system. Your thoughts literally create chemical changes inside you. Certain thoughts can make you feel a rush of vibrant energy, ready to conquer the day. Other thoughts can leave you feeling heavy, completely drained. If you focus on possibility, joy, strength, your body releases a cascade of feel-good neurochemicals. If you dwell on danger, failure, worry, your body gets flooded with stress hormones. Your thoughts aren't random events. They're patterns, habits of the mind. The more you repeat a thought, the stronger and more automatic it becomes. Telling yourself, "This is too hard," creates a pathway that becomes your default response. But the opposite is also true. "I can figure this out." You can actively train your mind. Decide to plant thoughts that serve you, that build you up, that move you forward. This isn't about denying reality, but about choosing your focus. You can focus on the obstacle, or you can focus on the solution. Learn the lesson and focus on what you'll do differently next time. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your habitual thoughts. You stop living on autopilot and intentionally direct your mind. Today, start by observing. What do you repeat? Does it empower you or disempower you? Don't judge, just be aware. Awareness lights the way and gives you the power to choose. Choose the thoughts that will build a stronger, healthier, more successful version of you. Hey, start now. Emotions are like the energy expression of your thoughts. They are your body's response to the pictures you make in your mind and what you tell yourself. Think of them as energy in motion. They are physical signals that give you feedback about how you're doing inside. Emotions like fear, anger, and long-term stress can really affect your physical health. They can make your muscles tense, raise your blood pressure, and mess with your digestion and sleep. On the flip side, joy, thankfulness, love, and passion have a really deep positive impact. They change your body's chemistry for the better, filling you with helpful hormones. They boost your immune system, help you relax, and encourage healing. When you feel grateful, your heart beats more steadily, and your brain works better. Managing your emotional state is super important for how well you perform and how good you feel. You're not just stuck with your emotions, you can actually change them. Change how your body feels or what you focus on. Move around, smile. Physical actions send a new signal to your brain. Instead of thinking about what's wrong, ask yourself, What am I thankful for right now? What can I learn? Name what you're feeling. This is frustration. This creates a space for you to choose how you react. For 3 days, notice and name your feelings without judging them. This practice is the first step to mastering your emotions, which is a key part of living a powerful and successful life. For a long time, people thought the adult brain was set in stone and couldn't change. Now we know that's not true. Your brain has an amazing ability called neuroplasticity. It can reorganize itself by making new connections. Every thought, new skill, and experience actually changes your brain physically. By going over the same path again and again, you make that path stronger. That's how your thoughts work. Repeating things makes those brain pathways stronger. That's how habits are formed, both good and bad ones. Worrying often makes you more likely to worry in the future, but you can purposefully create new, empowering paths. With new thoughts and actions, you build a new brain. You weaken what holds you back and strengthen what makes you feel capable, confident, and successful. You are the architect of your own mind. Your body has its own inner pharmacy. Your thoughts and feelings are the prescriptions. Joy, love, and excitement release dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. These make you feel good, motivated, and connected. Chronic stress floods your cells with cortisol and adrenaline, which weakens your defenses, memory, and energy. You can manage your body's chemistry. Feeling grateful lowers cortisol. Imagining success releases dopamine. Don't just deal with it, don't live there. You have a pharmacy inside you and the power to write the prescriptions, so go practice it. Now let's put science into practice with a simple yet powerful exercise. It's not a complex, hour-long meditation. It's a guided mental rehearsal to rewire your brain. Find a place without distractions for a few minutes. Sit comfortably, feet flat, hands in your lap. Close your eyes. Disconnect from the day's noise. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Repeat 3 times, letting go of tension. With each exhale, relax a little more. Your breath brings you to the present. You move from survival mode into creative mode. Create a clear picture of the future you want. See it, hear it, feel it. Step into the scene and feel joy, pride, accomplishment, and gratitude now. Your brain doesn't know the difference between vivid and real. Hold that feeling for 2 minutes. Anchor that elevated emotion. Clear intention and daily gratitude activate new networks. Your beliefs are the invisible glasses through which you see the world. They are the stories about who you are, what you can do, and how the world works. Many of them were formed in the past, often when you were a child, and they run on autopilot. Beliefs like, "I'm not good enough," act like chains. They seem true because they're repeated over and over. A belief is a thought you keep thinking. Any thought can be changed. Get it out of your head and put it on paper. It loses its power. Look at it as a sentence, not a truth. Making it outside of you is a big deal. Right below it, write its empowering opposite. It should feel big and exciting. It's not just an affirmation, it's your new reality and a command to your subconscious mind. Repeat it with feeling every morning and night. Say it with belief and energy. You're strengthening, overwriting, and updating your mental operating system for success. Feel the truth of your new belief in every cell. Start today. Visualization is one of your most powerful tools. It's mental rehearsal used by athletes, CEOs, and experts in every field. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you vividly imagine with emotion. You activate the same pathways. It needs to be detailed and use all your senses. See the room, the faces, hear your confident voice, and feel the floor under your feet. Hear the applause. Feel confident, certain, proud, and excited. Clear pictures plus strong emotions rewire your brain. Practicing again and again builds muscle memory. Your body learns how to succeed. You activate your reticular activating system to notice people, tools, and chances that match your goals. Do this every day for 5 minutes, in the morning to set your day's tone, or at night for your subconscious mind. Close your eyes and play your success movie. Feel the victory. This is a smart way to create. You go from just watching to being the architect and director of your own masterpiece. Success isn't just about strategy and action, it's about psychology and emotion. Your emotional state is the fuel for everything. If you let fear, doubt, and frustration take over, you'll take hesitant, ineffective actions, or no actions at all. You'll see problems and get worn out. A peak state of certainty, passion, courage, and gratitude means massive and decisive actions. You see opportunities, not roadblocks. You have the energy to move forward and achieve. Emotional intelligence is super important. Recognize your current state and change it to one that helps you. Know what sets you off and how to stop that pattern right away. A big change in how your body works changes your emotions. You can't be sad and energetic while jumping around at the same time. Gratitude lifts you up fastest. You can't be angry or scared and grateful at the same time. Do it every day. 2 minutes for 3 real things. When something triggers you, take 3 breaths, force a smile, think of something you are deeply thankful for. Break the negative loop and get back in control. Practice it as much as you need to, and you'll become the master of your emotional world. The mind-body connection isn't just something to talk about, it's a real thing to live by. You can change your health, your happiness, and how well you do in life. It's totally within your reach. Don't wait for everything to be perfect or for big, sudden changes. Lasting change comes from taking small steps, one after another. Your journey starts with your very next thought. Take charge of what's inside you, and you'll see the world around you change too. You're the artist. Your masterpiece begins today. Let's break it down. First, become an observer. Just pause and watch without judging. Second, breathe mindfully for 1 minute, several times a day. Third, picture yourself succeeding every morning. Fourth, rewrite a belief and repeat it with feeling. Fifth, practice being truly grateful at the start and end of your day. These habits change your brain chemistry, how you feel, and how you see things. Over time, observing gives you control. Breathing makes you calm. Visualizing guides you. Rewriting frees you. And gratitude lifts you up. Here's a final exercise. Take 10 minutes right now. Sit for 2 minutes and just breathe. Write down a negative thought and cross it out. Then, write a strong, positive version of it, and list 3 things you're grateful for. Picture a small goal for this week, and really feel what it's like to succeed.